Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing the September 2021 Cocoa Daisy planner subscription kit. If you are new here, again, welcome. I'm really glad to have you here. I would very much appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what brought you to this video. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this kit this month, stay tuned. Alright y'all, I have to say, when I got the email from Cocoa Daisy this month talking about how they were going to switch things up, I was intrigued. I'm not going to sit here and lie. You know, typically people say autumn, they say fall, and they jump for the oranges and the reds and the yellows and the golds and all that other stuff, and forget that autumn can come out and it can come across in a lot more than those colors. So here is the kit card this month. Come on, focus, thank you. It says Umber and Gold, and on the back it says, I adore the fall season and all the beautiful colors that come with it. However, the color schemes can get a bit predictable with repeating variations of orange, gold, and red. For this year's October, okay, not the September kit, correction, this is the October kit. For this year's October, I went with a palette that pulls out the secondary fall colors. Umbers, deep golds, creams, and even mauves. When you step away from the traditional fall colors and look deeper into what fall has to offer, you'll find some lovely and serene color combinations. Of course, we still have plenty of traditional elements in this collection that will make you want to grab a cup of hot cocoa, a warm blanket, and snuggle down for the season. This collection feels so elegant and warm to me. I hope you love it as much as I do. Christine. So, let's just go ahead and dive in. I do not see, unless I'm missing it, let me see, because I'm always missing it. So, no, I don't see anything else. Okay, so we're going to start what's on the top, with what's on the top. So, y'all, we have this band. It does look like a pen loop. Super pretty, very stretchy. I love this color. It's neutral, but it is pretty. It definitely brings across the seasonal creams that she was discussing. So we have a pen loop or a band, a planner band. I think this should fit. It's not going to fit too thick of a classic, but it'll definitely fit my mini, so that's all that matters. So we have that. Next, I'm pretty sure that this was supposed to be in there. It's not. Whatever. It's cool. So we have this Dangle Clip, super pretty with that gold leaf there, and our nude colored accoutrements on this rose gold clip. Very pretty. So that is this month's clip. We'll hold off on this. Let's get into our die cuts this month. So we typically get die cuts and some planner tabs. Y'all, if you haven't already visited the Cocoa Daisy website or watched one of my previous videos, I am still, you know, pretty much a fairly new subscriber. One thing that really drew me to the Cocoa Daisy box is the fact that you can create a whole new planner every month from this subscription, and it's not super expensive. To think about having to create a new planner every month, think about the costs, and then look at the fact that this is under 40 bucks. Enough said. Alright, so this month, here are our adhesive tabs. We get 6 every month. These are the designs for the tabs. I'll sit that up here for a second, and then we'll go through the die cuts. We also get die cuts every month. So we've got that leaf. We've got some more florals, and this says pumpkin spice season. We've got the umbrella, our boots, another umbrella, pumpkins. I see plenty of pumpkins in here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. This says things to do today. This says slow down and relax. We've got some more foliage in here. We've got our bucket of apples. Very, very fall. We've got our scarf. We've got some mushrooms. I'm not sure what fruit that is. That's a berry. Some more foliage. Baby, that needs to be alcohol. Okay, so then we have some more foliage. We've got a squirrel. Another squirrel. We've got a fox. Why does fox just say foxes to everyone? I don't know. So then we have autumn days. Some more foliage. We've got a winter hat and another umbrella. So this is the tab set, adhesive tab set, and the die cuts in this month's box. Now I have to put this back up because if I don't, they shall be everywhere. Okay. Okay. So, moving on to the next item, let's go into this month's pen. Y'all, I'm loving this cream color. It's different. And then we've got some orange crystals. So if you haven't already seen, the Cocoa Daisy emblem is a daisy. So we have our daisy at the top of the pen. We have the cream colored pen with the rose gold hardware and some orange crystals. This is a ballpoint pen. Is it a ballpoint pen? I'm fairly certain this is a ballpoint pen. This is a test sheet. Okay, we get a pen test sheet in every box. It writes like a ballpoint, but I think this is a gel pen, y'all. It writes like a ballpoint, but it looks like a gel. So I am going to verify this, and I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. Here's our pen this month. Here's our pen test sheet. And here's our notepad for the month. Super cute. Daily reminder, it is not sticky. We've got plenty of sheets here. I'm loving the color scheme this month, y'all. I'm getting all the autumn fall vibes without the autumn fall overload. So that's our notepad. Every month we get 2 pen refills. We did that. Let's get into the washi. Y'all, super pretty. Super, super pretty. Let's see if we can get it open without killing ourselves. Okay. Okay, so getting the warm, tranquil colors. Ooh, that looks even better rolled out. Y'all see that? Let me zoom y'all in. That is so pretty. I love this. I might have to get a second roll of this washi if it's available. So this is our washi for the month. Next, y'all, we got a little sticky notepad. And for those of y'all that are like me and love the coffee stain look, definitely check out my shop. You know I carry the transparent coffee stains in my shop. But we have a sticky notepad that looks like you sat down a messy coffee cup. So, super cute. Notepad, sticky notes. Let's get into this month's sticker set. So, Cocoa Daisy has quite a few different packages available. It depends on your taste, what you're trying to get out of the kit or what you're trying to get out of the package. She has something for everyone, literally. I mean that literally. So, this is the sheet from the main, stickers from the main planner. It literally says that. We have our month, our days for the month. Dates, excuse me. We've got some days of the week. This sheet, with this sheet, you could potentially set up an entire monthly spread and several weeks. You could set up for the entire month with this spread. We have several to-do kind of appointment labels here. Doctor appointment, dentist, veterinarian, get hair done, get nails done, birthday, coffee day, Columbus Day, Thanksgiving, Halloween. On this side, we have notes, month at a glance, meal plan, daily to-do list, autumn bucket list, October goals, challenges, Halloween trackers. We've got some laundry stickers, some trash stickers here. Like I said, we have our days of the week here, and then some icons that match this month's scheme, color scheme. The next sheet, we have some letters. We've got some more numbers. Again, like I said, you really could set up a month and all of the weeks from these 2 pages. We've got some half boxes and some quarter boxes and some flags. And then we have this deco sheet here. So this is the sticker kit for the month. Next, let's get into this paper, darling, because I never thought I would become so excited for paper every month. And between this box and my Villa Beautiful, I just don't know what to do with myself. So let's go into this first one. We have these pretty brush strokes, so warm, so inviting. They are double-sided cardstock. And then we have the branches and falling leaves. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look at the scene. So pretty. Then we have this plaid, diagonal plaid. Oh, some more stains. That is so cute. I can think of quite a few projects that I use. I'll have to get some more of this paper. So that's the second sheet. And then the third sheet here, we have our flowers, our leaves with different patterns. Oh, and chevron on the back. So this is these are the papers that came in this month's box. Last but not least, y'all, I am loving these pouches that we're getting every month. What am I going to do with them all? That's a question for another time. But let's get into this. The joys of PVC plastic. It just doesn't know when to let go. There we go. Ooh, y'all look at that. That's pretty cute. That is pretty cute. I'm loving the clear. I'm loving the zipper on here and the design. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look at the pouch for this month. So cute. So, that is everything in this month's Cocoa Daisy subscription kit. I do have the planner subscription kit. And like I said, I will post the details down below about the pen, since I've sent y'all now on a mad dash to figure out what it is. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know that you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.